All right, so took a loss today, right in here. So what was I looking at? Why did I take this loss? What was it that convinced me that I was looking short? So let me just remove this tool. I got it on the end of this candle right here. All right. So what is it? First things first. 9:30. Push up. What happens when we push up? We take out all the liquidity from 6:30. Right. We have a nice trend line liquidity going down here. Boom. Swept that out. Great. This first one, I missed it. I actually missed this entry by a couple seconds. And we were down here by the time I would have been able to enter, which would have been the break even point. So I'm like, nah, I can't do it. Um, so yeah, that's essentially what happened there. So price comes up, we push lower, we take out this low, the 7,452 low. But what kind of got me was two things. One, we closed below, and also we closed below this point here as well. So I'm like, oh, okay, cool. Price looks as though it wants to go lower from here. What's the best way I can get him to go lower? That's what I was thinking. Now I see we have equal highs, kind of just swept those equal highs. We have this in here. We'll see what happens, but I don't think I'm going to take another trade today. So, keeping all those into account, I was like, okay, cool. Well, where can I look for price to go to next? Right. So, this is where my actual trade comes in, right? Which is okay. So, we come up into the order block, we get a tap in, we respect it, we get another tap in, just draw the line so you can see it a little better. And then we displace out. I was like, oh, okay, great, beautiful. That's what I want to happen. So I pretty much entered right away. And my break even point is obviously the low. First target was here, and ultimately, overall target was down here. That's what I was expecting to happen. And pretty much I got wicked out. Let's see here. So it's entered there. Oops, my stop was above here. And boom, I got wicked out. Price didn't even get back to the break even point or the first target, obviously. And we came back up. Now, looking back on this trade, this is a horrible trade. Why? I don't take trades unless it's 2 to 1 minimum. As you can see, it says a 1.35. At the time, I didn't know that. At the time, I was looking to target down here, which is what I thought was the London low. In fact, it's actually the Asia low, not Asia low, midnight open. So yeah, I kind of screwed myself on that one because then see we're at 1.85, right? Still not the best, but that's what I was looking at. And that's essentially the trade. So that's the loss on the day. Um, Overall, I think it's okay. I think another confluence I had is for the reason I was looking short is we opened up with this massive gap. Right? You can see how large that gap is. So I was looking, okay, open with this gap, we're more than likely one to come down into some level of this gap. And yeah, I got burned for it because it looks like price is just going to continue on up. So yeah, that's essentially what happened today, um, trading wise, and yeah, not really upset about it. Just like, yo, what the fuck, man? It's just kind of how I feel about it. Honestly, I thought it was a good trade idea considering, especially since we swept out all the buy side liquidity very convincingly. I did have us going a lot lower, but I was willing just to take my profits at the London close and keep it pushing from there. But yeah, so it's still early, so I may see if I can get in another one. another trade, but I'm not pushing to get in another trade. You know what I mean? If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's kind of how I'm looking at it right now. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap.